Thank you, and good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
If you could, please state your full name for the record.
Yes, Jill Suave.
Thank you. You may proceed with your statement this morning.
Thank you. Honorable Judge Kwame Rowe, first please allow me to thank you for your time and dedication to this case. I know it's been deeply disturbing and horrific. Thank you also to Karen McDonald and the entire prosecution as well. I am asking you, Your Honor, to please sentence the shooter to life without the possibility of parole on behalf of my son, Justin Schilling. Your Honor, it's almost impossible to find the human words to describe my grief, pain, trauma, and rage. The manner in which my son Justin was so cold-heartedly, methodically executed shows clearly the pure evil and malice of the shooter. For this act alone, Your Honor, he deserves life without parole. No mother should have to put her child in the ground. On the eve of Justin's burial, I had my phone ready to call 911 as I feared that I was having a heart attack. It's only by the grace of God that I am still here with us today. In my letter to you, Your Honor, I have detailed the extent of my trauma as well. Justin's siblings, Nathan and Clay, were robbed of much of their youth, their innocence, their joy. Their beloved middle brother, Justin, their shared future memories and possibilities with Justin, holidays, weddings, birthdays. As their mother, I am beyond infuriated for the pain and their suffering. Clay, who was only 15, was hiding in the school that day as well, fearing for his life and worrying about Justin's. Justin's grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins, all have suffered an unimaginable loss, as Justin was and is so very loved and cherished by his entire family. Justin had such an impact on his many beloved friends, teammates, co-workers of all ages, and people in the community. My heart breaks for their pain and trauma as well. Justin was happy, humble, hardworking, grateful, stylish, funny, smart, loving, thoughtful, and empathic. He never complained and always made time to lift others up, bringing out the best in everyone who knew and loved him. He didn't deserve to die this way. Justin was a lettered athlete, a top honor student, and lived by the golden rule. Do unto others as you'd have them do unto you. He was so excited to graduate and planned on attending Oakland University. We did a tour in the fall of 2021, and we talked about his plans to major in business. He wanted to move out with his friends and even considered getting a real estate license. He was so motivated and focused. His future was so bright and full of possibilities. Justin would have been an amazing father. Children loved him and gravitated toward his big heart. He was such a gentleman and so very loving towards me and all women, never letting me pump my own gas or hold my own door. He will always be my little sweetheart. Justin spent his final moments protecting Keegan and saved 6 more lives with his gift of organ donation. May his light and legacy live on forever. Now, Your Honor, I would like to share what I would like the shooter to know. You may have ended Justin's life on this plane, but you did not in any way affect his soul. You don't have the power to do that. You may have caused the pain and terror as you intended to do, but you did not destroy us. There is more love and light in this world because of the legacies of Justin, Tate, Hannah, and Madison. I don't focus on hating you, but I also don't feel a drop of pity towards you. I don't feel anything towards you. You're nothing to me. You don't even exist. While you rot in jail, we will push on. And we will do so many good things in the world, spreading so much love and kindness in honor of our angels. You are facing the consequences of your actions here in this court of law. But you will also face your demons in the afterlife, and there is no escaping that. I pray that you serve as a deterrent and as an example for other lost souls who seek fame by taking innocent lives. You didn't win. You're not famous. It didn't turn out as you had hoped. The media will forget about you. They will move on. I know you're miserable, and it's only going to get worse as the reality does set in. But we are only going to get better. More healed, more loved, and more loving towards others, more peaceful and more full of grace. And one last thing I do want you to know. If you were that lonely, that miserable, that lost, and you really needed a friend, Justin would have been your friend if you had only asked him. Thank you.